Hey everyone, welcome to my kicking horse update for May 24th. So, I'm going to start off by starting this point here. Golden has repaved the highway from the bottom of the hill up to the construction site. It's been in much need of repair, and so happy it's done. The road was cracking and frost heaves and everything else. So, kudos to the highways department. Anyway, so we're coming up to the kicking horse construction zone now. Lanes closed up ahead, got to change lanes. By the way, I sped this up a little bit just to get through this quicker. Not to bore anybody. Anyways, nice long stretch, all nice and repaved. So here we are, we're coming up. So there's a lot of work done. I haven't put out a video since the middle of March. So here we go. So, on the left-hand side, they've got the girders in for the bridge here. The eastbound side of the bridge, the girders are in. I've been away, so it's nice to get back and doing my videos. We're coming up here on the left-hand side. More viaduct. And it's coming along very well. I'm imagining that's going to be open pretty soon onto the bridge here. And then they'll be closing down this side of the bridge. Okay, so back to the left-hand side. More viaduct here on the left-hand side, as you can see. All the girders are laid down. They still got to dig down this part here. Coming along well. Supposed to be done by next fall. Okay, again, here on the left-hand side. More viaduct. Cross members put in. Connected to this one. Then coming up here, you can see all this stuff has been cut down and more cross members for the viaduct. There's some more girders. Now, here's the interesting part. Check this stretch out. This is all viaduct on the left-hand side that's been done. Now, we're coming up through the rock cut here. So I came through here at 5:15 in the afternoon, so I kind of slowed down on the work. More on the left-hand side, more viaduct. Nice long stretch here. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If you have been following my videos, you know about this area right here. They've cut it down, and boy have they made progress. They've almost got it completely cut down. So I don't know if they're going to do a viaduct there or what, but this is all that's left here now. It's amazing. So now we're coming up here. They're getting ready to cement over this viaduct. Now this is the longest viaduct there is. I actually delivered down here when they were building the one that I'm driving on. I had to back in from that sharp corner. Anyways, over the bridge. They're busy working away. So up here, there's more viaduct coming up on the left-hand side. Right along here. Now to the right-hand side. They put in a retaining wall here. I'm guessing that they're going to put the viaduct along there and have the retaining wall up to the viaduct. You can see all the pieces of the retaining wall there on the left, or on the right. So they haven't done much more retaining wall along here. Now, coming up here, you can see the yellow piece of equipment going across. That's another viaduct that they've put in. Coming down the hill here. This is a steep hill. It looks like they're getting ready to cement over top of everything here, or they have already. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit the like button. Bye for now.